We have covered the theoretical concept of Azure shared disk. That is one of the attribute of managed disk, which is in preview. And today I have got an email from Microsoft that my preview is registered successfully and I could use this feature that I was not able to before when I created the theory concept video, but now I'm all prepared. Hello everyone, my name is Arun and let's get started. On my screen, you guys can see I have this PowerShell command, and prior to that, I'm deploying a JSON template. This is the JSON template that I have uh, borrowed from the Microsoft's website. Uh, Let me open it here for you guys so that even you can try do that in your lab environment. Azure Shared Disk. If you go to the documentation, and that's how it works. We have already discussed this part. Let's go to enable shared disk, where they have provided the JSON template. I have the same JSON template I have copied and saved it to my desktop. Let me show you. Okay, it is in the C drive I put, and template.json. No, yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I don't need Visual Studio. I can open it with code or with Notepad. WordPad would be fine. So let me close this. The things that I want to show you, because we are not working on the code, of course, I just need to show you few things that you need to take care of this template. Come on. Okay, in this template, first of all, you can change the name of the disk from here. And the default value you can change to 56, which is the minimum size of P15, but with the help of which the maximum share that you can create is 2. For the demo purpose, that is more than enough. So I decreased the value to 256, and we have the max share value right here. Max share value, its value could be 2 because we chose P15. So if you remember, then it's well and good. If you're not, P15 and 20 for the premium SSD disk can have max share value up to 2. P30, 40, 50 can have up to 5. P60, 70, 80 can have up to 10. So for the demo purpose, we choose 2 and we change the value of this. You can, if you want, you can change the value of this. And we are all set. Okay. So I saved this on my desktop and I ran this. I was getting a lot of error before because it wasn't this preview feature wasn't available for my subscription, but I requested, I registered, now I can. So when I ran, it got successfully covered and I got the disk created in my resource group. Okay, I'll go to the Azure portal and show you everything, but in order to save time, I ran this out already. I'm just going through all the commands that I have used to perform this demonstration. So the very first is new Azure resource group template for the creation of managed disk with shared attribute, max share attribute, which is not available in the portal as of now. So you have to choose the JSON template. After that, we have created one VM in the proximity group, proximity placement group. Okay. Another VM is also in the same proximity placement group you can see here, and we have created the proximity group here and put both the VMs inside this proximity placement group. And then we took the disk with the max share attribute is equal to 2 in this variable, and attached the disk with add az vm disk, add az vm data disk to both the VMs. And guess what? We could able to attach this data disk in both the VMs. All right, you have to take care of the location. It should be West Central US. It is not available everywhere, only in one region, that is West Central US, and only in premium SSDs. We talked about that. And it is only applicable for the data disk, not the OS disk. And your machine should be in the proximity placement group. Now let's go to the portal and see what I'm saying is true or not. Okay, so I'm here in test VM2. Let me get back here. You can see I gave the name test VM1 and test VM2, and disk name is my shared disk, and everything is in the same resource group mark RG. Okay, oh no, don't go there, come on. So this is test VM2. You can see inside mark RG and West Central US. You go to the disk, you'll find my shared disk 256 GB, and is a premium SSD. Let's go test VM1. You can see test VM1 is in mark RG West Central US, and let's go to the disk, and you can see my shared disk 256 GB. So it works, and you can utilize this feature in a lot of situations where this kind of uh, arrangement is required, this kind of architecture is required, right? If we go to the documentation again, we can see right here, let me show you. See right here, we can use this for SQL Server failover cluster, scale out file server for general use, remote desktop server, in Windows based clustering environment.